Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thought we'd show you this rig that we got at Walmart. Has some nice lights in front. So that's pretty cool. It's two-wheel drive. Let's hit the throttle once. You can see the lights in the back. That's pretty cool. Let's send it off the table and just get a wall.
Whoa.
Lands on its tires. It looks pretty cool. I like the lights on it. I think that would look pretty neat at night. So, yeah. Can't remember how it was, like $50, something like that.
I don't know. I wasn't.
It has quite a bit of power. And it's getting up the grass and doing the grass and getting up the hill. Why is the cord dragging on it?
I don't know, but I put the thing in.
Well, I guess we're gonna try to find the cover for the
We found it.
charger. Well, we found it. Well, they found it. Well, till next time, guys. Keep on seeing. Peace.